Hi guys, it's me, Kai Baker. Wait there. I don't want this yet. Might as well just do that in a minute. Alright, still going. Oh my god. Still going. So yeah, basically oh my gosh. That's why I didn't want that yet. Oh my god, mega jackpots. Trick Tuesday. Don't have the mystery box yet. So check it out. Get. Thank you for the key. Now all I need is go to the shop. Boosts. Don't want any of them. That, no. Me. Oh yeah, right, so last time I got all these, look. So I got 3 bronze award and another bronze award. I should have a silver one too. Yep, there. And I should have another gold one, I thought. Yep, thought so. And a gold one. With lots and lots of keys. 8 keys, guys. So there, right, I'm gonna buy loads of them in a minute. Right, so I want that gift, I want that, yeah, cool. That way. Now I want to get some of these, there. Still going. Right, now I've got lots of, oh my god, no, don't want any more. Oh, no, I've got another one. Boards, no, there, right there. Right, I've got more keys, guys. 3 keys. So to be fair, I've got quite a bit of keys. There we go, 2 of these. Right. Being quite a bit of my friends already. See? So yeah, I'm gonna do probably a 10-minute video. I said that last time, it's just I had to see my dad and he didn't want my dinner yet. But he said I had to, but I don't want to yet. So I'm gonna have it when I get back. Which like I wanted anyway. But he didn't listen, so yeah. I didn't eat it, but I had to turn my thingy off. My tablets, so that's why it ended so early. Oh, that confused me. I got quite a bit of keys left, guys, so... Whoa, yeah, mate. I want that. Oh, unlucky. Well, I like Subway Surf. Hope you guys like it. As much as I do. Some of you guys probably think, oh my god, why is he playing Subway Surfers? And, because I like it, that's why. And also, I know the quality isn't that amazing, but it's better than nothing, so yeah. Hopefully you do like it. Because I like it, and I'm doing this on my channel, so I need to get all my subscribers to like it too. So just put in the comment section what you want me to do, so then I know, instead of thinking, oh my god, I don't even want to watch this because it's rubbish. So yeah, and I'm kind of beating my friends at the moment. I don't know who that one is on there, but oh, only if I had that. See, I'm still going. Oh, please have my keys. Where's my key? Why am I not getting my keys? I keep trying to get keys, and it's not even let me get the keys yet. So I don't know what's happening, but yeah, still going. This will make me go quicker anyway, so yeah. Hurry up. I really don't want to go quicker because it's so boring when it's going slow. Just I'm beating some friends right now. I don't know who the hell that is, but don't even know my friend's profile pictures. But oh well. I wish it was going quicker right now. I like the hoverboards. I know it isn't even going quick and I don't even need it, but board's cool. Mystery box. I want it to die. Unlucky. There and there. Sorry I've gone quiet, guys, but I'm just trying to concentrate. And like I said last time, I'm gonna have to end at 10 because Mobeeson doesn't let me do over 15-minute videos, but I'm gonna stay till like 10 minutes. And yeah, I tried to get that stock in, if you wondered why I did that. So yeah. You have to I always advise people to use the hoverboards when they're on top of trains and stuff, and when they're going through for all these coins. Because if you get hit anyway, it's not even gonna matter, because like you're just gonna explode out of gas. And then if you've got a policeman or the Santa, because there's a Santa one, there's Christmassy one in it, even though it isn't Christmas no more, but see, like that. But if it doesn't bring my coin, if it doesn't bring my, it doesn't bring it out. Oh my fucking god. Flipping god. Sorry for the swearing again. Oh, come on. This is going to be probably my last round, guys. So yeah. I don't know why it's not letting me have my keys yet. I might have to get on a certain level, I think. So now it's going to let me go a bit quicker, hopefully. I want to go quick. How did I die? Guys, if that's a glitch, please tell me. Because I have no idea how I died then. I know how I died then, I just got bored and just wanted to die, basically. But I just remembered I had a stupid thing. Oh well. I could just kill myself right now, but I don't want it. Ooh, these techers though. See? Yo, my name is Joe. Did you just see that, guys? The whole world just went off and came straight back on. See, I'm still going, finally. And now I'm going quicker, as you just saw, because the times 2 means quick. I think anyway, because it goes a bit quicker when I get that, so it must be. I'm not really an expert, I just know how to play this game, basically. I like to call myself an expert, but I'm not. That was pretty good. It's like jumping for days right there. Yo. Yo. Yep, yep, yeah. Yes, finally I'm getting the keys. So now I'm one. Oh wow. Sorry, I actually did do that. Now I get loads of money, guys. Now I can play my best, because... Yo, no, yo. Quick recovery right there. Look how quick it is going, guys. It's so hard. It's harder than you think at this moment. See, I don't know how he survives that. Yo! Yo. Yeah, I am. Still going. I better go in a minute, guys. So yeah, when I die in this, I've got to go. Because I'm not allowed over 15-minute videos or I get rejected. Right, come on. Next time I die, guys. Oh, not yet. Don't want to die yet. Oh. I'll just die now, guys. Right, so see you soon. No, not yet. I'm just gonna... Yeah. See ya. See ya, guys. Peace.